How to skin and debone a fish. You don't have to be a fully trained sushi chef to know how to skin and debone a fish. It's incredibly easy. Anyone can do it with ease. Step 1. Sharpen your knife. Ensure the knife is as sharp as possible. This will make skinning the fish a lot easier. Step 2. Cook the fish. Step 3. Skin the fish. Step 4. Debone the fish. Step 5. Skin the fish. Step 6. Debone the fish. Step 7. Don't egg the fish. Step 7. Don't egg the fish. Step 7. Don't egg the fish! Stop egging the fish! Please! Fucking stop! Stop egging the fucking fish! Stop it! Right now! Or I quit! Step 7. Don't egg the fish.
Step 7. Egg the fish. Step 8. Skin the fish. Step 9. Debone the fish. Step 10. Bathe in the fish. Place down the blade. Place down. Place down. Place down the blade. Place down the plastic blade. Perfect. The fish has been skinned, deboned and cooked.